Today, I'm going to show you how to make fantastic triple oatmeal cookies. This recipe comes to us from the incomparable pastry chef Stella Parks and her delightful James Beard award-winning book, Brave Tart. These buttery brown sugar cookies are loaded with crunchy pecans and tart cranberries. But they're all about the oats. Rolled oats will give you the hardiness of a granola bar, steel-cut oats for a toothsome chew, and oat flour for a tender crumb. You can pick up a bag of oat flour online or in better grocery stores and co-ops, usually in the baking aisle, or whole wheat flour will do in a pinch. I just know that you will be delighted by these yummy, nutritious cookies you can easily make at home. You can make them for yourself, for your family, and oh yes, for sure, make them for your friends. I beg you to try them and see for yourself. And when you do, please come on back here and leave us your comments in the comment section below this YouTube video. So now, are you ready? Well then, let's get started. So to kick things off, in a large bowl, we're going to mix together 2/3 of a cup or 3 ounces of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup or 2½ ounces of oat flour, 1 2/3 cups or 6 ounces of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/4 cup or 1½ ounces of steel-cut or Irish oats, and 1 cup or 6 ounces of dried cranberries, 1 1/4 cups or 5 ounces of pecan pieces toasted. So in this next step, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we have the butter. We have 2 sticks or 8 ounces of unsalted butter, 2/3 packed cup or 5 ounces of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup or 3½ ounces of white sugar. We have 1½ teaspoons of diamond crystal kosher salt, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then finally 1 large egg. Mix on low speed to moisten, then increase to medium and beat for about 30 seconds. Now we want to add the dry ingredients and mix to form a stiff dough. Look at all those beautiful oats and oat flour. Here we go. Here's the last batch. Oh, and they are beauties. These are the best. Triple oat cookies. Triple oatmeal cookies, look at that. Those are such gems. Now we let them cool. So there you have it. And as always, the truth is in the tasting. Let me find one really beautiful cookie. Oh, I like this one right here. Is that a beautiful cookie or what? That is really a beautiful cookie. Are you ready? Slightly crispy on the edges, soft and chewy in the middle. This is the perfect cookie. I have to tell you, these are not going to last long in my house. And if you make these, they're not going to last long in your house either. So please do me a favor, click that thumbs up like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It's a real winner, folks.